Welcome to this section on the thoughts are transformed into reality. The direction and the quality of your life is very dependent on what are you thinking right now. What you are thinking right now. We focus on the present because you can modify many coordinates in your life by focusing on the present. We focus on the present because we can modify them. We remember the past thoughts so that we may correct mishappened coordinates in the present. Our past thoughts are not washed away by years or decades. These thoughts actually stay with us in the form of the outcomes that we have attracted when we created and focused on these thoughts. So, the direction and the quality of your life is very dependent on what you are thinking right now. We focus on the past and the present thoughts. We can modify the present coordinates, but the past thoughts are always within our memory as a form of outcomes. So we need to have a careful attention towards our thoughts because they determine the quality of our life. The direction and the quality of life is very dependent. What we are looking at right now. We can modify them. We can change the present by looking at the coordinates. Do all our thoughts have a large impact on our lives? Not necessarily. You can see there are generally different types of thoughts, human thoughts especially. The first thought is called dominant thoughts. These are the thoughts which have far-reaching consequences in your life. The dominant thoughts which are dominating your thought process, those thoughts will have far-reaching consequences in your life. The second category is the non-dominant thoughts. On the other hand, they do not have a large impact because these thoughts are minor, superficial. They simply come and go. Our focus is on dominant thoughts because these thoughts are always with you, and even once sleep, these thoughts still dominate your thought process. So our thoughts are dominating us even when we are sleeping. These thoughts are capable of creating an impact on your life. The dominant thoughts are the thoughts which are capable of invoking the law of attraction repeatedly through the course of your life. Our focus is on the dominant thoughts because these thoughts are always with you. Even if one sleep, these thoughts permeate our being. These thoughts are capable of invoking the law of attraction because you do that repeatedly. Dominant thoughts are done repeatedly through the course of your life. So as you do them repeatedly, you get that kind of thoughts, and that thoughts turn into reality. So be aware of yourself. What kind of thoughts are going on? Are they turning into dominant thoughts? The dominant thoughts can create the course of your life, not the non-dominant thoughts. That's all we have in this section. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.